Welcome back to Bogey UK. Today I'm going to get the plumbing started. We've got the water tank underneath the bed. Last week we got the hole cut through, so we've got the filler neck all put in ready. So I've just got to get that mounted, get it all plumbed in. I'm trying to keep all the plumbing work inside the vehicle in the habitation area, so there's less chance of it freezing in the winter. Hence why I put the tank under the seat. So I'm going to run the pipe work down the inside of the bed and out underneath the floor at the back, and then come round through the unit up across the back of the wall down here and up to the pump and the accumulator, because this is where we're going to have the sink and hob. So got to get that done first, and then hopefully I'll crack on doing some electrical work, so I'll bring you back. Right, I've better start on the plumbing. As you can see, I've run the pipe work all the way inside the seat box, round, attach it to the bottom of the floor there, up through there. This is going to have a finishing strip on here, a nice piece of edging, so you'll not see that. It runs up, don't know if you can see, bring it down, it runs up through along the wall behind the oven housing. Looks a bit dark there. Then comes out here where the pump and the accumulator is. I've got the tank here now. I'm just going to get some PTFE tape around the this joint here, and then where the hole is through there, get that resealed back up and tidied up. And then I've mounted the tank restraining bolts to a piece of 9mm ply, which I've doubled up, so it's like 18mm. Pull the bolts through. I'm going to fasten this to the floor, then obviously tighten these down once the tank's in, and that'll secure the tank in. So I'll bring you back. Right guys, I'm back. I've got the tank all mounted in, as you can see, that's all down. I've got the pipe work about finished. I need some more connectors. I've run out of the inserts for the 12mm pipe. So I'll just show you. I've got that running all the way around. And like I say, across the back here, there's going to be an aluminium step plate that'll come over here. You'll probably just see this little bit here. I'll have to do something with that. This one here I've managed to hide, and then the pipe work runs up around the back. I've fastened it to the wall. I've just sat the oven back in as well. That can stay in now, ready for being plumbed in. And the water pipe runs at the back of the oven and comes out here. It's got to PTFE tape the pump and the accumulator. So that's where we are with that. Yeah, so I'm going to have a bit of a tidy up now, and I'm going to make a bit of a start on the wiring. I've put most of the wiring in ready, 12 volt DC. It's not a complicated system, it's a basic system. I'm using most of the stuff that I took out of it originally. So got the solar charger up there, I'll get that all mounted up, but yeah, I'll bring you back when I start doing the electrics.
As you can see, Simon's got all the batteries in. He's got the 3000 watt inverter in and the isolation switch. He's done quite a neat job. So I'll pull the fridge out. We just turn the little noggin that we made. Quite a good little thing, isn't it? There we are, we can see a bit better now. And he's put all these up here. He's trying to be as neat as he can. So yeah, we're getting there now. Most of the electrics are done. That's for the fridge just there, and all the rest is going in there. Well, look at the kitchen now. We've got the doors hung. Let me climb in and show you. We have handles, we have hinges. Starting to really look like a kitchen now, isn't it? Put an extra lock on just so it don't fly open when it has the washer in. And here's all the sockets and the water gauge, and then there's the unit for the inverter, and obviously all the switches. So it's all coming along. Got a socket in to put down there, the normal socket for the washing machine. Just got to put the face on, and then yeah, like you've already seen, we just did this extra, just cut it out of wood just so it stops the fridge when we're driving moving about. That's a nice little lock. So yeah, so we're getting there. And get back up. So we've got the worktop on, and we've got the gas and the sink back in, the gas hob and the sink. So yeah, so she's really coming together now. I'll spin you around. I've put my cushions in, and we've only covered the foam just with a couple of fitted sheets, just for now, until we get them covered properly. But she's now getting where we can use her. Let me sit down a minute and then you can see what I see. So yeah, she's really coming together now, isn't she? So she's usable now. She's not finished, but we can go out in her now and start using her before summer's over, so that's going to be nice. So we put TV up briefly just so we can start using her. So I think we might have our first fishing carp trip out. Let's see if we can catch a big carp. So we're getting there. So let me show you inside here as well. Hopefully you'll be able to see. I don't know what you will, but it's put, just looks like Piccadilly Circus, doesn't it? Let me show these out of the way. But yeah, just tried to keep all the wiring as neat as possible. Hopefully you can see it all. But he's going to put it all in like a box, so it will all look a bit neater as well. But now we've got the sink and hob in, you can start finishing connecting the gas and the water and the last bit of electrics now, and then get this box sorted. So yeah, pretty cool. So that's us for now. So hopefully you'll see us on our first trip out. She's really coming along, isn't she? We're really loving her now. Lovely. Step back a bit further. Lovely long kitchen. We'll have a good clean and whatnot. And eventually we should get the bathroom finished. But it's not as if we can't use it. The toilet is working, so we can start getting out there and enjoying ourselves. Lovely. The solar charge controller's all connected back up, and we put the diesel heater monitor there as well. So babes, there's no going back now, is there? You put holes in the worktop.
Aye.
We have the hole cut out. Is it ready for the sink and hob to go in? That's it then. We've finally got it in. So we're in. Excelente. Now just get it all plumbed up, get all the gas connected. Looking good. So we've started with the wall unit, just above the kitchen. Got the sides on. And now we're going to attempt to paint what we've done so far, and then it will just be the doors going on. Excelente. We'll bring you back once it's painted. So there we are. The wall unit is finished. And we've put the carbon monoxide back on the side. And we started putting a few bits in. So yeah, across a few bits just to start it going. But yeah, got them all done. And then we carried on and we got the wall put up with the tiles, the shelves, TV back up, and we got the worktop in. So it's all coming together. So that's it, we're getting there now. It's looking very nice, we're loving it. So yeah, that's the kitchen done. I'll show you the gas locker. Oh, step down. You sealed it all in now. So that's all connected, it's all working. So we've got the hob back now. We're just using the little bottle for now. Might as well use the gas up that we've got until we get a bigger bowl. So that's that job done as well. So yeah, all coming together. As you can see it all. Can you see that there is a change? If anybody can spot the difference, comment down below the little change that we've done. We've got a few more bits there. So yeah, so that's it, all coming together. Kitchen basically done. So we'll see you on the next one. So please, if you are liking the conversion so far, please like, share and comment. Make sure you're subscribing so you never miss a video. And we will see you on the next one. Bye for now.